Ria. Ria, how old are you, Ria? Ria? It's letter L or letter R? Sige, can you speak louder? What's your name again? Ayan, what's your name? Your name is? Elia. How old are you, Elia? Ah, you're 77. Matanda na pala ito, ano? Ha? How old?
7.
Ah, you're 37. Matanda na rin pala talaga ito. How old ba? Ah, 87. Matanda na nga talaga si ito, no? Ay, ba? How old? How old?
7.
Ah, 27. Bata-bata pa. Yan ba? 1,007? 1,007? Elia. Sige, before we start, sino kasama ni Elia dito? Are you with your mom or you with your daddy? Where's your mommy? Saan si mommy? Sa likod. Hi po, ma'am! Can you please join us here, mommy? Palakpakan naman natin yung mommy ni Elia. Yan. How old po kayo, ma'am? Ah, 99. Matanda na rin pala yun. Okay. Then, mommy, this is what we're going to do. I just want you to choose any card that you want. Any card. Any card? Oh, wag lang yan. Any card that you want, can you please get any card that you want? Ayun. Show it to everybody. Show it to the kids. Ayan. Show it to the kids. Yeah. To make it personal, gusto ko, write your name. Pwede ko makita, okay lang naman. Write your name big. Malaking malaki. Diyan. Yes, write it big. Super big. Yun. Thank you. Yun. You wrote your name? Okay, thank you. We're going to do magic with this card. Idea, you join me here. We put your card somewhere in the middle. Right? Then we put a lot of cards. Alright, here we go. Can you count how many cards? Hindi na. You forgot? Hindi ko. Okay, ito. Palakpakan na si Mami. Mami, ganito kami natin. Alright. I want you to tie a rubber band here. Tie a rubber band. Thank you. And just keep it there. Thank you. Then I'll be calling you again later. Alright, thank you. Just so that the card will be secured. Right? Yeah. Secured. Alright, thank you, Mami. I'll be calling you again later. Alright, right now. Elia, please join me here. Palakpakan natin si Elia. Elia, you're going to use my magic wand. Are you ready with the magic wand? Mami, tuturuan ko sa magic, ha? Elia, can you please hold this? You just have to wait this 3 beses. 1, 2, 3, and we can perform magic. Can you do that? Oh, sige, wag mo sisirain. Elia, please hold this. Wag mo sisirain. Wag mo sisirain yung wand. Is there a problem? Is there something wrong? What's wrong? What? Something wrong? Oh, what? What's the one? You just have to... What happened here? Elia! What happened to the wand? Ano to? Helicopter! Elia, don't worry. I'm the best magician in the universe, complete with the cosmic power of Jupiter. Watch this. I will fix the wand. Everybody say magic. It will... Ayaw gumana. One more Elia. Everybody say magic. What? Hindi, ano ba nangyari? Ulit. Watch it. Hindi, ayaw na idea. What if you will fix the wand? If she can fix the wand, are you going to clap your hands? Yes. Hold the other end. Then you say magic 3 times. Louder. Magic. 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 Who was this? If Elia can fix the wand, are you going to clap your hands? Yes! High five, Elia. Ayan, manaki ka pala yung kamay mo. Ayan. Oh, hold this again. Now we do the next magic. Huh? What's wrong again? Huh? What? Oh, what happened here? We use another one. Everyone say bigger one. So this time we use the bigger one. Hold this, Elia. We call this one the anaconda one. Everybody say anaconda one. Ano anak niyo one? Hindi anak niya one. Anaconda one. Again, anaconda one. Oh, hold on. What happened to the one? Ibigay ang snake. Did you do that? Is that me? What happened to the one? We use another one. Everybody say bigger one. Mas malaki to. Lagit kayo. This is super big. Elia, ay. Wait lang. Natanggal eh. Screw lang yan, screw. Alright, there you go. Alright, you just have to wait. Eh, bakit ka nakascrew naman? Nakascrew naman siya eh. Ha? Just like that? Oh, yan. Hold this. Just, ay! Okay, something is wrong with this part. Use the other part. Sige, hold the middle. Ayan. Already, ha? What happened, Elia? Ano to, taho? Sige, ibang one na lang gamitin mo. Sige, what one do you want to use? The blue or the red? The blue or the red? The red, very good. Get the yellow. Alright, ready? You are now using what color of wine? You're using the yellow. Are you familiar with the vanishing hanky? Vanishing hanky? Hindi. Elia, you wave the one so that the hanky will vanish. Everybody say vanish. And now, this will back. Again, everybody say, wave the one, everybody say vanish.